Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you're looking to give your Shopify store a boost by adding custom pages and updating your navigation menu, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add new pages, like an Our Mission page, and make sure they're easy for visitors to find right from your top menu. It's a simple way to share your story, feature important info, and create a more engaging experience for your customers. Let's dive straight in. Start by heading over to your Shopify Admin dashboard. On the left side, look for Online Store and click it. This is where you manage everything your customers see, from pages to design. Next, select Pages from the dropdown. This section is essentially the library of standalone pages on your website. Things like About Us, FAQs, or in our case, Our Mission. To add a new page, click the Add Page button. This is where the magic happens. Now, let's imagine we want to share more about our brand's purpose by adding an Our Mission page. In the title field, type Our Mission. Right below, you've got a large space for content. Here, you're free to add text describing your mission, embed images that tell your story, or even format things with different fonts and colors. You might add a heartfelt story, some stunning team photos, or a clear summary of your company values, whatever connects best with your audience. If you're new to customizing content, take your time here. And remember, this part might take a few moments as you decide what feels truly meaningful for your brand. Once you're happy with it, look for the Save button up top and click it to lock in your changes. That's it. Your new page is now part of your store. But for visitors to actually see it and navigate to it, we need to add it to your menu. The next step is connecting your fresh page to your navigation. Go back to your dashboard and look for the Content section, or sometimes it just says Menus, depending on your Shopify setup. Menus control what links show up at the top of your store and help visitors browse around easily. Choose the menu you want to update, usually Main Menu for the top bar. Click Add Menu Item or Add Label. Here's where you'll type Our Mission as the label, so customers know exactly where to click. Then link this item directly to the Our Mission page you just made. Shopify makes it pretty straightforward. Just select Pages and choose your new one. With that set, don't forget to hit Save. It's easy to overlook, but it ensures everything shows up for your customers. Now, for the fun part, let's check out your handiwork. Head over to Online Store and then Themes. Click Preview if you want to see your site as a visitor would. You should see Our Mission right up in your top navigation. Give it a click to make sure it works, and enjoy that little moment of satisfaction. Adding pages like this is a great way to share info that builds trust with potential buyers. You can repeat these steps for any other key pages you want to add and organize your menu as your store grows. If you ever want to update text or swap out images, just head back to the Pages section and make your changes. And that's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's another Shopify feature you'd like to learn more about. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your store.